restoration has got to happen, and restoration is going to require human intervention. But it's those artificial nest cavities or cavity boxes that I think bother people. And there was a 2020 proposal to downlist the species from endangered to threatened under the Trump administration. And looking at that, and I haven't read that real thoroughly, but definitely that downlisting is relying on those cavity boxes. Well, do you really say something is recovered if it's living in cavity boxes, versus letting trees grow up, letting them have access to trees with red heart fungus, longleaf pines? What will it ever really be independent? Can it live independent of those kinds of activities? On the other hand, one of the things that, in reviewing what was happening now, kind of gave me hope, and it's sort of poignant, is the all of the efforts of all of the people who obviously love these birds, they love the species, all the efforts, man-made or not, to try to save them. That's a positive thing.